matemu 12 na ya kirasi sana isatu twaganiri amaya na suri baleta merniken biomono soko charo talira asi chabis chitu na kira chingaki mwaliganiri ondobwensi na aliganiri gotalira yandra gotegera Sara FM na njirende teyo wikira muno ngonya kurira mangana ya sinjire yo wikira nguru kwa Dennis Nyandika
ayunaro amaya atekire ntogendera kumanyia amange kurwa Sayare FM. Omotegereri nomanyetenga Lukenya University nerayuka egotieri abana asa masomo asekrengo kigoro wetera ogokora chikosi ao Lukenya University nigo ekorikia aboro kigwa ase chintunda isatu kiro mwaka umutinyo mutangani uyo gatano amono yukianda bono elikie rero elinde ase einiteke kubwatia osoe klasime na gosoma elindo chikwe konya ase amatuko agocha Lukenya University nigo egotoka se sub-county ekorokunga Kibwezi East imeye county ya Makueni chikilomita nkego kurwa somo chomone o Nairobi chikilomita chimibere na mirongo etano nebere wose chikilomita chimibere na mirongo ene kurwa ase omochi Mombasa University ya Lukenya chikosi ekwena na niko chikubwatia Master of Education in ECDE, Postgraduate Diploma in Education, Bachelor of Education Arts Science at ECDE, Diploma in Secondary Education, ECDE Diploma. Nkwana nabale certificate ya ECDE, PhD in Business Management, Master in Business Administration, Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Business, Bachelor of Information Technology. Ekosi ndike korokunga Business Management, Supply Chain Management, Human Resource Management, Master of Arts in Public Administration and Account Governance, Master of Arts in History, Master of Arts in Geography, Master of Arts in Linguistics, Bachelor of Arts in Community Development, Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and Account Governance, Bachelor of Arts in Criminology and Security Management, Social Work Community Development, Bachelor of Science in Dryland Agriculture, Bachelor of Science in Analytical, Ekosiende Nabokosomera Chemistry, Bachelor of Science in Health Records and Information Management, Chikosi Chinde Nigo Chikubwatia, General Agriculture, Building and Construction Technology, Food and Beverage, Hospitality and Tourism Management, Certificate in Information Technology. Lukenya University nigo ekwena na chikosi wochia ase aboro kiwa ase rigoli ise kegema minyoka na kweli kiatutigwa magaga ase university emanyakaretenga Lukenya University minyoka ase obwango tonyole wetera enamba yesimi 0791 44 40 00 0791 44 40 00 wasena mbendeni gere 0790 44 40 00 0790 44 40 00 nana bokuto ikire kwetera email address ere info@kenyauniversity.ac.ke wasotonyole kwetera e website yaito www.kenyauniversity.ac.ke nincho elinde osome ase e university yaito ya Lukenya ochewe konya ase amatuko agocha. Lukenya University nigo egotoka ase sub-county ya Kibwezi East imeye county ya Makueni chikilomita chimibere na mirongo etano nebere kurwase omochi o Nairobi wose chikilomita chimibere na mirongo ene kurwase omochi omone Mombasa minyoka elioche wekonya.
This is how fast YouTube is with Brave.
Sauti ya Rehema.
Sayare FM.
Dennis, unasikiliza Sauti ya Rehema, stesheni yenye maono.
Sayare FM.
Sauti ya Rehema. Tune into your favorite Christian station.
Yes, kabiri gumwancho mwategereri ogotera uku kwarure asebe gabo nigo gukurukunga sadaka ogoteri ne kwaya ekurukunga St Matthews Kiamboli Kiamboli hotel uku kogotebanga sadaka ogotera gwatugida ke 55 igoro yechisa ibere cheboro murugoba ekero togenderete nemero bulito aiga ase studio ase echira ya bene una rero iga ne ituko ya Jumanne titariki ni 14 mutinyo motangani mwaka uyoiga o 2022 nabali batungireti wetera so mtandao o YouTube kesi hot na ino nabali kanibye ase elikwana ya bene aiga ase studio ebiro ebiga bya abono magoba ase tuguchi gukwana na Professor Constantine Matoke Nyamboga aiga ase studio tuguchi kwanira amagana iguru ye ejisemi aigase studio litanga ni professor karibu na kwani yako abategereri
mbia muno Sodok na ndo jero jasi no urare na mbia muno we have a number of issues today ndagete ko batebya rigere muna bagusiba ito lakini ntarabatebya ngotebanga wairire buya nando butuko buya nimaeta abande bararire abande bararara especially bali bantegererete ababwate radio bararire bantegererete kurugitanda baganya gitoroji babwate barare lakini tete morare muche kubolinga nkia kolerete ndagete mabena into nande another thing nda tebe bono iga bali monyole tobo kongu munogo kwerwa nkore nomo lakini atoko basabera nyasaye mutu ale chinga kichingia ekero mukulera abamino na abali nyagitali gotoko basabera bawene ndotogeti umwana minto mugusi ndotogeti umwana minto no mo Kenya ekero kunga narwalite twins pia toko ba disturbed na abanyase mibonzi pi bali ba kworokiwa na aborokereri atoko basabera chinga kichingia especially ngakia matemo chikoba omutienyo garato nande omutienyo November uchakiro mwakonde abaminto nyore mumanyiti ngote bamulinga mwatware stress lakini sometimes yo tokote banga you must sacrifice amogo sacrifice digara abana baitese bale bonzi pi mwabalemya basome baje bakora matemi baite baba abantu omwakonde ntubu at stress yoyo etamugera chake January matemo akora November once again marogobengia mbia mono
asante sana uyu akurukunga professor Constantine Nyamboga Matoke nere tuguchikukwana nere ya masemo iguru yechisemi kuruiga Save Radio ya sayale kubwate birengo bya miamo na ibire kinute chenkera bondo chabange sana bagerete kutubwati akina iriri kirubo asante sana bali mugerete kutubwati kurwase enjera yo mtandao kisi Hot TV ase a channel ya YouTube nimbaro cheka bisagabu bali mugerete kutuligereria na ino na baliganirie ase a program yeli tukolia lero abande bakotebanga professor karibu ase studio iriri kirubo asante sana Kevin Moga iriri takete kura batambwa kidogo ga Thompson 254 ninguru chibyo kabisa kwa tabanoli me kompigo sana oyoga niko akurukunga Kevin Moga asante baba Ringo asante sana akorolire Dennis Isoe big up guys asante na bagerete gutubwati ya Yes TV Uganda asante kwa tabanere no wale imeyeredia seno geto Melodies amana batekele bonsi be radio ya Seattle na balibu mtandao karibu sana suku chikukwandra iguru yechisemi Professor Lukenye University ngaje gutuka litangani na indi ya chagete
mbiamuno Sodok baliba beira before bago ntegerera mbama itase gutuka lakini ase abantu bonsi mbia nanya kubenyoria na ende mbia mono balitu akwandi na ino ngakiende ngabatenge wiki gocha ayara na renge gocha na ranga bange mwatware interest bali mwambolia mbakorera admission nimbakorere weekend mbia mono soto kia seri swali erio antari rizwaria igora take abaminto bamanye ase Lukenyere marogobeye no utkobo
yes
Lukenya University igere university yamo asejirisa binda mbiri jire Kenya university bwate ka Kenya ching bono iga jire meronge tane ebere na ibere na Lukenya ne ya tambwire ne serikali na anda abana bagutumugocho ige gotoka asakuru kumakweni ngakero kurugusiga guikoete Bomet oete Naroko ogende Maimayu ogenda asakuru kumuchio Nairobi omanane ogenda Machakos ogenda Salama ogenda stokoro kanga zura na mood walima ite stream asome ogenda Makindu ogenda Kibwesi ogenda sakurunga Kambu Mutito onyore Lukenya University utaraika azibalitu asome historikare togatebira manitas kusemanyani igera about 30 kilometers kurugabu ogebe located asakuru kwanga Kibwesi East lakini commonly Savo National Park East was national Savo East National Park to what west and east no to located as tokunywa maje yorochero korukunga river earth rodokorwa Nairobi gusemacha ruaita kitengera kogenda paka ruai kororo ruachi kulimera Malindi as Indian Ocean
yes
and got the nearest feature karota go to trace yatha plateau ngana nyole ko kolina no muntu tageto go explore na bokoline ketulu kia yatha plateau neta jete pakonya go ikirororo so igera sa Makueni border ya Taita Taveta Kitui lakini geto kwenye barangere magkwengi mbia mono.
Asante sana abategereri baito beredia sana bali moturigeri twirtera su mtandao itokisi Hot TV. Mwigule mna professor ayechikire koereza ase Kenya University gutoka na nigo ekwarigania abanafunzi eliogosoa na gosoma chini tekinire nkamubwate ase Kenya University professor
chini tek tubwate umwaka achire isato ntuntu bwari ntek mune jijarenge chechi secondary ejeto chiarani nomo igonyo rumwano oro tukaliko tenga ko talikorani mune secondary gakorani based on our unitex and echio chitaveta affected na COVID-19 no echaveta affected to a managed situation boronge through again tokorka Zoom application abana bagasoma bagakora matemu bakagraduate and ntwenya gotara again tokorka sunga backlog into gotore forward ever to what January April intake ntangani muna bono basoete bakora matemu mutinyo okane bachenka for 2 weeks nyora barebe serikali bayira ne September igo bakoli gitamu cyabo ibere lakini nganyo oro uri okoruchi pesa cyo tutegeti yaru ne serikali gago agwaka chinte kisatu ya January April May August na December na September December yego sote ni masomo wakora bwangu yes
watabiringa chiniteke mubwata sekiro mwaka ni sato unaboniga mubwate initeke ya January indi ego ikomwelyo intake ya January gego ikomweri April ekaro ya aire amatemba okora bamanya kogendanka ekaro bakoirana muna nateba ande nyemeke wa minto mumanya ekaro umwana ako basponsored na serikali akonyore loan ya help igagwakanira kabere omwaka term 1 igere September December term 2 na otokoroka January April okoro mwaka orest asome May August astore wika akane chibesa kurwa sumu bukoye mbali bakora igo bagenda bwangu abatata gitiko bakonya nande bachaka wiyekero mwaka utakiro chake lakini uyo re class yekyo ogokora gosemba charo education degree obwalimu otali sponsored ne serikali era na bagasoma gitamu cyonsi seto akore nanda agokora bwangu kyere myaka ebiri nenuzu ukirenka uli okoganya gitamu giri bagasoma ibero mwaka gakore myaka ene mwakolire gokora admissions yase bali bachagete mutinyoyo
admissions nturanye kora kyara lina last time na batebetinga eotore very flexible lakini ntubwari time limit abana abayigora tu igore university tare 3 wiki rine gasinare karomo kulia mandasi bado njona arwete gusitare 2 ngagende gas abana bachitare 6 na ndaba gusinko bagerambu yamona abana bayinombu yabayika ndire batebirine ibiru kibesanchira untu batebirine ali amandasi akababobe na ina ara nkuli ababobe ninchira kyagera karoba ikazende ndochenga masiabo mbu yabale na agende sabato nkarora bali bako gende Seventh Adventist ngabakwani nkarambu yabale kyara bange nabagusi na bagere ba South Nyanza na baluya na bara bange ikosi ikyo na Jumapili ngasoma naba Catholic na chikanise jinde ngaita round nganga bana bonse binombu yabale igo admission negenderete noembali abana bali bataracha bono bali continuing maybe what challenges chief fees onda ba advise muligie fees ya lakini tetano on 28 of this month ige minute gonga 28 na abungire ndukoroka admission either oroni going yani okosoma utaracha kusoli ogosika admission abataketa admissions are open I have said nateba naendenga mbale ba minto ba ndeno mana tinda baanza but from next week ngo baansande mbatumira maruba ino ngoi prepare in the next 2 weeks ngochikoba tarishina na Motoke University mbiyamono
asante sana omwanchwa omotegereri na bali motorigirete utera sumtandao chinsa ichiga cheboro mugoba Professor Constantine oelezire bene muna amasoma kwa nanwase Kenya University onye kubwateli swali totomere gochega se studio enoti sana ibiri sano ya mwibirinye mo isano 0725 124 na bali mugwa kachisimi na bomugwa ke kogara bana mbali siko ga bomubwata bali mototegerereta bana mbali siko bataragenda gusoma lakini na bomubwate yani enia yokugania abana baino basome kora professor bunatebire chika kitwikire goikatwanje abana baito basome erinde bache gwekonya sama tukagocha asengenjo yake Lukenya University ngati university chikona na masomo alia abwenerete aiga Kenya na ndako ba recognized igento kende masomo abo nigo ali amaya gosoma elinde kwa ba recognized de serikali no nyendirie kulia emiremo chikosi chiri mokwena nase university chiga takete professor ochierera no tachikwana chose lakini okotebanga school of something kwaerezera kikilimo kwena na
mbiyamo sodok mbiyamo ine kushiningi yakiagara na bokonyoranga abandi bali bacha rero wao kuminga nkikingu kwana ndali kwate chi program
yes
eto wari school ki go chire isato chiwari subject yange chionsi nguchaka tore yakana omwakoyo iye guchaka na public health degree mutinyo kianda etore in the process yera banda school of medicine
yes
go health sciences bono iga chirichiro effectively to what masters school of education iye what masters of education
yes
and to what masters of education in early childhood education to what postgraduate diploma in education to what bachelor of education yoko somero bwalimu bwa arts like history, Kiswahili, geography na usinto what bachelor of education science osomero chemistry, physics, maths nechinde to what ECD also and a bachelor of education to what again our sister college ego train diploma in teacher education Lukenya College to what primary teacher education they are better polished so we no longer have it to what ECD diploma and to what ECD certificate now precisely all these efficiency error was the same in all schools so kwa makini education yons masters abantu bakora full time 60,000 abakora open distance learning muna bari bakosomera mitandao abakosoma holiday bakuru 40 gogoja masters of education early childhood around 60 na 40 goja postgraduate diploma in education yani really meant for okota bachelor of science uta trained no mwalimu okakora same bachelor of arts Kiswahili ngwa Trinity so not get a postgraduate diploma in education digaronyo or methodology and the technical or techniques of education that 5,000 then bachelor of education art science you get 30,000 full time 27,500 school based a diploma here teacher education you get 16,000 full time school based you get 14,000 ECD diploma you get 16,000 a certificate 14 that's why I was saying it's almost the same thing a certificate you get almost the same at a 14 full time 12,500 school based the next school big school to what school of business and to what go train to from any time now to go train to a level of PhD in SM management science then to what master in business administration you go to MSc both regular and kawa distance na 60 a fee full time na 40,000 open distance learning PhD in 70 hiyo chitali pesa nyingi asa abantu batagete kwa advance baru kuji doctor babwa gosabaru kwanto wa agento permanent damage to what bachelor of commerce yo bachelor of commerce go train mu accountant or auditor monto insurance a marketer 30,000 bachelor of business it's in the moving bachelor of information technology 38,000 a degree 16,000 a diploma then 14,000 a certificate to what again a number of diplomas like business management, supply chain management, human resource management and taxation a diploma 16 certificate 14 now the other school is School of Arts and Social Sciences as to any time to a master of public administration and county governance a year 60 na 40 and then year especially for one to get management at a higher level including CMCA but chief they can join masters now again to what masters of arts in public administration a masters of administration and governance into what also bachelor of administration and governance and I'm happy to tell you now and wait avange konya kora wale bono ya can confirm especially from Luo Nyanza na ande kurwa se itagusi Master of Arts in History ego chakana time ego ate 60,000 full time 40,000 yere ngia for abalimu especially bakota Bachelor of Arts Education bakora History. I would recommend strongly ngamanya kole isa uli future nerororo na ende bantu mbayo wono uno bisinko batebi. Geography nero is the same okora Masters of Arts ogorenge trained teacher is not necessary or and ogende kokora Masters of Education. I na wako so Masters of Arts in Geography a fee 60,000 and 40,000. Ninja na batebi chibere mokuburugashi egasi gerororo. Then to what Bachelor of Arts in Community Development, 30,000 full time. Then there are many other courses. Jones PhD full time and what we call part time was open distance learning. Now what Jones Pichigo Chachigo. Then the other school I can rush to so that we can interact.
Yes.
Again, a school because again, apart from that, school of Piwa and Applied Sciences. I got to a Bachelor of Science in Dry and Agriculture, and at time to answer BS Agriculture. They're almost the same. Is a more egodina irrigation, Konyoren Dagira. Lero, Nabokonoren Dagira Kurinyomba. Omano, you can't understand in Dugunafat farming. Alin Bamana country chin, and Aboko in Dagira Yao, in terms of Bubolemi, Quaka seem to Quagra Kurinyomba. Because it's about temperatures.
Yes.
One dry land agriculture, getting Giasana. Nayani, it is dry, but still Pakora agre, and the Pakogase, and on is 30,000 full time. Bachelor of Science in Analytical Chemistry,
yes.
A year in August, Nero get 30,000 a degree, 16,000 a diploma, 14,000 a certificate. To what other many diplomas like general agriculture, building and construction technology na otoko somia ndo matoko rozia matabolia yete na anda taliko kanda chikombo food and beverage to bwati certificate in various areas at said area including social work and community development, counseling and psychology, taxation and many others. So again don't have again to more echimono all these fingo kwana igere meant to suti abana bali baito especially batarangi irine serikali. Ekarurangi irine serikali chia ujire chinka is 25,500 degree. Because the government comes in kwa runke nero yako raki ya comment rababande mbaliko kwenye serikali.
Okay.
Biamono.
Asante Professor Ntagete togenda sechisimi abategele baito nabo husanginga mbabwata maswali kolengana niki kwaerezeire bene ekogera kwa kwane chikosi chinyinge chiri Kenya University mokerana ebiwango mokerana ne certificate a diploma amo ne degree ase a university yiga mwencho motegereri andi yake nabura atwariri swali otagete kobolia ase aigase studio chise chigache bono morogoba karoto na professor kurase Kenya University na bali motorigerite wetera somtanda okise Hot TV na ana bogo tolikirali swali gabo nsabu na boko liri kansabu ase otorigerete eli na boli gotoikira eli tolisome ase embeo eli de professor achi okuireneria ase njira ya bene. Professor Ntagete ko bwato kokotero ko monkoirana ninchi ko bwata chisimi aigase studio Ntagete ko bwato kokotero ko moga gotena St Matthew sikiambuli watarangura kokotavanga toileta neno mane gochaka ko bwato chisimi chaino karo togenda tukwana na Professor aigase studio chabtuge dakika 14 yurichi sisatu chabo na margoba aigase studio radio seri tukelikiri jumaine tugenda tukwanira chisemi malitane ni konkuru kwa Zedog Dennis wasomo Kenya omonyane tugenderete a program yechisebi na Professor Constantine Nyambuga Matoke. Yes, gotera uko kwarura sembeo, gotera ukwarura sembeo nigo goteriri na St. Matthews Kiamburi ekwaya kogotebanga toileta neno la Bwana gotera gwatu ikiriji dakika 22 iguru yechisa isatu cyabo no murgoba gokinde kuba mabaga elinde mubolie professor amaswali aiga ase studio iguru yobokoreri we University ya Lukenya yugotoka chisa mochiria chia Abukamba. Professor tagete tukwara bangarabira tatuigeli ndi tubolie abategeli baito batuakire chisimi na go tubolie amaswali aigase studio kogarana kiya koleta ka ubaerezere bene kilibarata ke gutwara omanyi wochime Lukenya University naki morocha mangana ACPC na ko ikiwa kwa mwelio kwa education system weli ntangani ya 844 ebintu bibi kwa kwanyanga kimoroche na Lukenya University
mbia mono sodok ine kushiningi kwa mboguliri bono igana erere mitandao na erere inde Kenyan government nyore kwa igwete igoro ande ko sendero Professor Magawa gatebetenga na nuli ujugo chobo gambi abe no mondora support system ya CBC endegete bono njembate bya bayiboli abana basoete we appreciating a 844 system we achite lakini nene no ya achite ya kolera ya maya na ndekire system ne watu weaknesses chiabo lakini akaro kunyerigiri ya ngo examination oriented akaro ko no CBC igere mo content oriented oligeli andu akolte form 4 eri enkoro bakanda form 5 and 6 we are content oriented ekare bintu biko kuchakwa ebintu bigenderete bono nebintu mwana ino achagete okuruga Fred okengo mati yangu munyakitali bono interior nero chagete bench korta benchmarking chikantri chesiko akanyoranga tuchake CBC na beko babuya igo yani egento kire content based esa oli omwana agakuchaka kobomo ngaini oromoke omwana agujaga korengera lioromoke nande no nebinte pressure ya masomo te kobororo kera outside there ogenda muna chikantri chikuruka Nordic countries yellow Finland, Denmark, Sweden, Holland about 5 chikantri chibwate gento curriculum ya ZPC is very rich, is content based yoko noranga abana barororo na barabo the only advantage need some of them mbaliko be examined for national exams yoko noranga mwalimu mbweka matemuniti kogenda report ya give igego qualify ko ende university but where there are competition na libago subject ya bana tu national exams because of okonoranga mabagana make. So to me, the government is in the right direction. As universities, we are prepared to park, because I'm not talking as Nyamboga or a vice chancellor.
Yes.
No, you're any vice chancellor. We have 72. Ikatuwari follow cheito tali toko tebiringa nyanchirane, lakini ikatoka nyerigereria is the future.
Oh.
Because is the future ngambono yuko mwano onyoro manyire koruga oromoke ona manyete koruga and standard go same 4.
Yes.
Na minyoka na aruga na ndenda upper primary standard 4. Na arugira wa mindike njira ngomonene. Na agenda roche marogo we need abana bayida nabamanyanga ki this how things are done.
Yes.
Tali abana barole GTV 24 hours barole bono bamanyire GTV 24 hours na ndeka rokumotuma tali correspond. But this one nige ko train ko understand ko understand muno mwana na kumanyanga yako genda. So as a university we are prepared to receive in 2029 na tuja ku receive abana batangani abutokoroge songo the first cohort ko say bachi entangani and we are prepared to answer ku change syllabus so that by the time bauja gocha uchimulegete nga CBC yakoleteki etagete. So to me we are in the right direction as a country.
Okay.
Yes.
Asante sana. Actually Professor Nayo Murai we university yiga ya Lukenya. Mtubwate need students. Actually mtubwate mnanye partial ovens yani toto na partial ovens. Tukatoa rafana bakura si family chile chitali kwenyara. Do Lukenya University support need students?
Yes. Ongo talk about support in 3 ways. One, muna abana bachita last year about kusina nyota about 187 Korukisi County together and Nyamira. That was a good number as abana nyote elfu ya mami ya mbili.
Yes.
Now abana bobarora abange babu ate challenges mono talinganisa ulibara bagusi batia abana ngabons bago uchi university ngutwara bare challenges abalenda abayibuli baikabagote bakirege nto COVID-19 ya garoto bwate pesa bono mmanye kuibuli akaro COVID yetaiyo still bayibuli abamko no ngamba bwate pesa bono bayikire akiro mundara nga COVID-19 kero muno no mulemi ikiza batanga iba gago excel no ne kara bwate pesa tanga agende school COVID-19 nagorete nero. But the fact remains paka umano kagara ko no degree ko no oluli chibesa cho Johnsipi. So ntuko bakonya in 3 ways.
Yes.
Ekara abantu ba help bagocha manyete ngas umwana ajitaga ante binare need case na ndi soronga simanyete. Nye bako mwa location ya 30,000 kera bagocha bacha baka chobisi chaito. Tu aba bari the most needy. Na bako no mwana ile 30,000 na ndo ndaire 70. Ikonga ono kono ranga tu otoko batabinga oyo mwa maximum kagara achandikete okonyolechi igakomenya muno musongo kusame muno mu Africa musongo then ikonga yani I'm saying tukondi ara renchara kusana nyoko complain.
Yes.
The other one abande muna bagusi abante abanga bayibuli babo manyete abana bagusi about 7 mbachite Christmas inga esa olimba bado ne transport igento na kolete kero bachito baganda bina bathinga abaishia bango bakonyande ekalona bakonya na bakonya nango bakonya bachikorara mwane senkorara ona abateti atokogenda mugondo ntubwato mugondo muya ne namagacho nagenda leta abandi mosororo will be paying you besa bike okira lituko nande amatuka ya paka matuka imoja koigorera school mumanya koirana abana abumba cha baganda ngambi yamono kiana ko no mwana make 80,000 over a few days na nda save it chonzi ehire buya so ntubwate ntoke kurunga work study tokokonya abana bari needy.
Okay.
The second one, the third one, because the first one is help.
Yes.
The third one is irama koka nengo temana konya ntobwate Kasanga Memorial Foundation or Kasanga Trust. You effectively togo chaka this year. Kasanga is the late Justice Kasanga Murwa, or you're behind the success or behind the establishment and success of the university and our beloved wife. Mbabwate find yabo. Ate iyo kako tokonya mono.
Yes.
Esa ulinga na bikuja kokonya abana case by case kwa nyange besa bike byarule fund ibi abakonyire. So ntwanya kutika abana bachandike na and I will assure you for free nga omonye school especially omongina iyo kuru madam Mother Murwa egenta gokora abana mbare ayinieriti aba inieriti papa talinga na baba soboboka Kenya gimako ndora ngona chandike temono tigamurure fees yonspi
Okay.
but finally abana kabira bako konywa abandi ne class oja kwenda abanzi korege anto kumanya nki uzona ko ndo so ese subwingia uragera buya maso amasomo but bagusi mbara rokisaini hiyo biyamono.
Asante sana mwacho moto ya radio ya Sayare onye kubwata li swali twakire sibigo chega se studio yakira tungenda tukwana na professor Constantine matoka igase studio kurase Lukenya University nabugo twakire simi 0785922300 kia dabiri sato inoti inera batuko tumeka igase studio kiro cha mtugenda kemero gitatu ikuru yechisa isato chia abono Margoba yes 0785922300 kia dabiri sato inoti twakire simi chega se studio na gotobolia eliswali ande yake uratake kumanya igoro ya Lukenya University chise chiga chia abono Margoba na bugutwa kiresimi gochaiga ase studio 0785922300 Dan Maduku asante kwa temana boga ndetse kutubwati igoro ya masoma asante sana Jennifer Ken kurichisa bisheke gochio gotebanga na bonga ndetse kubwati na professor Magana Namaya moga ndetse gotoeleza abu ase studio na bali motorigereti aso mtandao okisi Hot TV YouTube channel nindo chimuna moga ndetse kudropa maswali ino kuchakani kuja soma takete kura bwata chisimbi kidogo aigasi studio mane kwira na gocha ase SMS amo nechi comment wairira bya
rosa yale
ngaki ko tabatata
ndiro mwana mindo
igonde bya umuntu mutambe
chinsema cyane nguru kitutu cyaje sawo die kumete waiting games ya 2022 na royo ganyereire.
Yes my brother
ngaka kwani professor kurwabwe sema mbyara sema microphone ya sema abu
itabira professor itaba
byande umutambe
professor agende tanganda ko muira na limbu jamona asenge chona moro no muntu litanganya muiro geto monene.
Yes
egento kene naro no muntu wanje taba kusiba mwabo inaro mu professor ukwanira abukuru nagatagete ko segerere tibwanje taba kusiba mwabo.
Yes
egento kene naro ngano tatwara gafino ogendo ora baibuli bali bategerete no twara umwana ogenda na siringeri 10 bako gotegerera. Ndira na igura ukwana egento kene nare kuboria ikibata igo twalera ekoshi ekorokuma fashion design and dressmaking
eti
ekoshi nere korku fashion design and dressmaking yani anda tailoring yengi batari kutwalera ngo tigangera sembu ya muno muntu mutambe ko dingemsie.
Asante golikale linde achi kukwiraneria ase emrogoba eyiga yaboro muyole
bikamo Kenya wajinsa makeli mata bota kapieci
kya baba
ase Ferdinand yao toka.
Yes
obole fees trakio mwako magaye ngo ara kwane
ko siki yani ke kwangu kike certificate ko diploma ko se degree
diploma.
Okay uchari kukwanira different courses uchari kukwanira. Okay asante diploma asante uchari kukwanira asante sana 0785922300 nyakubwate liswali twakiri gochega se studio obori professor liswali ninde achi kukwiraneria ase inchira ya bene aiga ase embeo biole
sayale samaro.
Yes ngaki musubati
mbia una karli nyakuma mababoka
kuma
Jana kuboi goma tukose jana ana vata kiri kuskuru mpiro matiki kuzeri abana buja kuringana ne kutandi ngere buja mwana iru skuru evara egere tukose jete baba talent tina.
Sabagana passion asante kuchara kukwanira gabo biole
will is a professor kama kuna higher diploma.
Higher diploma in Lukenya University.
Yeah.
Okay. Asante sana. Yes, biole. Okay, 0785922300 ndira batuko tumeka gasi studio ni kubwata liswali kubuli professor Constantine Matoko yotugenda tukorera ku school ya Lukenya University na bogo twakira go chega studio linda akwireli onya traba satisfied ne chira bero correspond to my questions here on radio. Yes, biole. We are mutukeire 07859223 na bogo twakira SM na bali bo mtandao ni ndo cha maswali ino gochinde ko ya enana gochi ase professor bali bo mtandao kisi Hot TV YouTube channel biole. Okay, I don't know
what could be the problem ndo chechi simichi kuputoka sechi kutumana sana 07859223 00 kiada biro noti ni kubwateli swali nabo ugo tubolia aiga ase embeo professor gote getekura na sole elinde oreinanilia maswali ayo ndo chega nalo kuna gwaka sana lakini kuputuka I don't know lakini ngwira na se umtandao ga liswali ndireka ugeto melodies ga kubolinga do you offer faculty of music and performing arts in your institution wana bukulika sabo na lelio ochi kumwereneli Irene Omagwa nikoro chibyo kabisa Janet Ugari asante sana kwa tabana bore tunde kurichisa bishiri cha diaspora timanya go sedisi ko se local diaspora go send diaspora nyana I don't understand but welcome se a program ya bono margoba nara kurukunga Vezikiza oro akotebanga professor na bongenda tukubwati asinjira bena asante sana abumbali bo mtandao Geto Melodies asante sana Dennis Isoe big up guys watching kurichisa bishama chako si asante sana Babaringo asante akotebana ule kabisa akabo kaenda tukutubwati ebile biga bya boro morgo sister Irene asante sana na Brokefo asante sana bali bo mtandao Thompson asante Irene Kerubo asante asokwenda kutubwati mugotebanga na omuli wikatu akuri chi program cheli tuko lia alero tunde kurwachi sabo chili cha Middle East akurukunga als nyabate agotabana wale kabisa akaenda kutubwati ase program ya masomo Dennis Isoe kakale gotebanga list grade ya kujoin certificate ni gani so lika qualification uchikukwanira certificate na diploma na degree abo mbali bo mtandao babere concerned kutaka kumanyigoro ya Lukenya University yes wairabia
hello
Myole kwana moneki baba
hello
yes Myole
nilikuwa nauliza hivi kuna mtoto kwa form 4
yes uko na mtoto yo ngetata bwate neli swali kabisa Myole yes
ngoira nelio morayo tondi yamona asago ke studio ona nango sikoboziga
baba
na kibara akole batonyore pasali
usiara kukwarira bagada pasaris but chifomu chiri chigo kukwarira tora magana kukwarira tora ntobwate chipasali che county government tukatware cha CDF ngochari kuchikwarira magana apasalis tuchake professor maswali ayo ndo chichi saliko chikotomyo kitu mana kurena sisi onye chisa chiko chiko twalao tuchake rete ilali
mbiamono Sodok na Musani one Rogers akatokota fashion design and dressing fashion design tindiko nyekwana mono gara kinnerororo ya abantu akokora fashion design and designing bakolera asakuru kuna Lukenya College yere imali
yes
kosi yago foranda ndokurunga tiveta igo bali bagotaka still they can apply through me na baba kanyora admission paso fashion design
okay
and banyo bagira chueti banyo register certificate bajaji diploma now if we oyo mintabo olia is a diploma umwako mugima na renko bere na rengo wakisa bwiri na tebete lakini amwakeire if we go get 48,000 umwaka plus 16 plus 18,000 hostel 666
that is 18,000
karo so my game ni wasomiro mwaka
umugima
and a half because umwaka oito gore kitamu bere wakoro mwaka oyomo etamu ya gatatu ko jako yonde one sell toko nyororo muno mwaka bwara kitamu se tunyo toko nyoka secondary then you would have paid 48 year minute 16 na 666
professor tararwabo ege kakenga nangaki umontago train a diploma program
emiaka ebere nenusu emiaka ebere nenusu igone kitamu sana chioka
kitamu sana
wakolere
so 48 plus 48
wakolere
yes
na maambia na ndo kucha kugraduate from the wensi uweke bareti
okay
ilingo tevinga wana to a constitutionally assembly ya graduation
yes
na ndi ninjengo kwanga nyakora boyo then ntobwata uliokwana ya diploma atuchibwata through CASNEF exams atole CASNEF center toko so mpaka CPA final ndo the number of diplomas chia kasne brand chingia sana, and actually ba kuru loan bono iga go sponsor. You go apply into, we tell you how you can get, you become a student uchake initially to kuligeria sponsor kuru kasne o you no more consult the nearest kasne. But here Karole University go an advantage because you'll get your final papers and also graduate with either diploma from the university. So you'll have paper at the same time. And under diploma chinde echikotoka under TVETA because nkona into the TVETA programs na bananko wari sponsored ne government. Performing arts as a melody abolia melody nkorengi kagotoka na Akuru at St. Francis of Assisi. Ino arati tinsireti kera chanji ngora jiune chingia sana. Neli murali kong neli kong ono performing arts sometimes people mbariko you understand. You can now be a performing arts mune kutoka Kenyatta University na bogo tuara ekero mwana akora be a literature usari interested in literature in the process na bago ago specialize in performing arts.
Yes.
A more of theater. Even to mune bibawo Jalas basometa, you know, Jalas may not have done that.
Yes.
It's acting. Even to muna babo akode no meta around here.
Yes, I know.
So babo mongara nyo mbabi someta. Babari dekra.
Yes.
Bakwana no ba moi. Then music and tobugati, but we have a very strong music group. Era nkong sana because nko ndepaka national level. Na nawa kusinkora atera bali getinkinye kengaini. Then least grade as a certificate, there is one thing that tempata yabakuziwa minto. There is no grade yumwana wa aranyore kerekebe never E. E naba ingamuna standard 8.
Yes.
Moto standard 8 nabako nora sa kogenda. Ebintu mune ebikoro ku artisans go ago qualify go soma, a train mune masonry, a train mune building constructor, a jakoro sia mataforia maya. All these people we accept them, but then they they will struggle in life. So there is no grade that is bad. Okay. It's only the thing we go to a number 1 year class and the last 1 year class. A year E, ya called E. A diploma, a grade kevekabisora as well. A diploma and C minus, and the particular diplomas. A teachers, a clinical, a diploma chia medicine, chonsipi, obonas public health. Chons people konyo C+. Obo alimu naro or especially diploma na bako no C+. Or of course muna confusion ya wako na C+. Once people go in the university, a diploma in education was brought down to a C, but again teaching subjects go to a C+. Kianyo nege songo iko chukua nege songo boronge. Bursaries omo nginambi yamono kobolia, lakini ngagere bursaries kwa bursaries no bolia omo zabuchibu munka na wako tebi. Omwana konore bursary e bursary nero ya MCA nyore baire chivesa e bursary nero ya CDF eko abana siringi 10,000 eko bayi 20 nyore rengia gusiga achie mpichi nyingi ya trial especially sabana bali bako soma Lukenya. I appreciate kila mpingo batumelele chivesa and the minimum I've been seeing is 5,000, but many of the member of parliament tobwate obako tumera abana bali 10,000 and tobwate e bursary kuruese governor ekurukwe county education bursary. So chile chinyinge nande weiko bolia o use the channels. A university ito tokuru soft bursaries in form of study work. Kiandro ko abese icho. Biamono.
Nkosa ngiole abibuli mbale bako beteria bana babo gokora chikosi cyabo kuva satisfy buno kugani kwabo kole. Ngagenda yo train bwalimu. Ngenda yo train use binte bibinde mu busigari. Mwana oyo tabwate passion osomera faculty inkyura kwanira abibuli bali batotegereta isiko kali ko rankwa gura bana.
Abibuli naende ngo bakerambi yamono moto abana nande enda abatebi njege ntekamo. Esa olimbate practical example. To tebi umwano omufosi abe kiole. Nyore kore medical doctor abe medical doctor ta akoba. To mufosi abe lawyer ta akoba. Omwana through career counseling. A year no achiko koru secondary, they are not done to the perfection. They are not very effective. Lakini muna anchenge ndan kwa nera abana, they would understand because ntobugate ntogekoro kwa artistic careers eri tagete chinguru. Muna abantu ba wood technology. Abantu ba agriculture engineering bantu bakora bakora chinguru ntobwate ndoko investigative career investigative career igebwate abanyagitari kyaro umunyagitari ako investigate amanye gukorwali in example ntobwata abazikali bali barasometa forensic bakora investigation ntobwata computer scientists they fall under investigative careers woko move ntobwata artistic careers muna bono melody manyete na atagete kumanya gusenanga yazuteti melody garo ndino mane garo motel nyo chani jine chia iga suteti sa artistic kiagara sa artistic atobwata abantu bagotera abantu ba drama se theater and so forth no konora abantu abakongu banjite kukwana n'abantu they do very well, but again we can to be as languages ntobwata humanities and the social sciences awasa konya na language literature geography siarichire abapiwa ali wacha baba balimu usekwa be preacher waje ko preach usekwa be lawyer kiara law igere humanities kuna babo Orengo babo Chief Justice Maraga babo Paul Mwite ebina ibasomete ntobwate ntokoro kanande social sciences ntobwate justice sciences ntobwate enterprising ntobwate ntokoro kwanga office kind of careers munobo secretary and so forth. So eji Jones pia karochi pia tigo mwana asomiwe alenga nda akole kenkikirangira wona muna medicine goikoite sabu goikoite chemistry goitoite biology chizanzi yange Jones ikokore kiwete abana mbalenga bagweta abarabake lakini bayani college basome kiare ni science yako chakokora na hata gete maths inke no ene lawyer ne wenete maths kiara lero te wenete ali komonto egosino mu accountant ali getobisi yaye okwake hesabu okobisa chibesa okwake hesabu okomuliani igora weta manye hesabu egocha komokonya iba akonyore ate manyono ne D+ kero ndo ate D+ hesabu no mungaini kose C- kose C amaya ko tanga no embwateye law ningi saine kiara muntu akongaina yani in other words that's not a qualification, is another advantage.
Yes.
So we have so many courses abana mutige agotebiwe kanganki atagete omwana bago akobe perfect in obolemi is the business omolemi umuya no yobwata agriculture techniques na currently no twaro bolemo boke omolemi umuya no mu agriculture obwata modern techniques echire full of technology Israeli karaka country gasinini lakini gagotoragiria chikantu muna boyindi sawa nto byara ine sawa nabeko Kenya ekwata Kenya nyiragiria tachandegeti bantu bali mbali batakana mo kwa razita kiara no mochere babwara 24 hours echabati bakolia roti 24 hours indutalie ndaga tokolie bituma twanza batanga enchara ya tolire and we are talking of billions mbare ngatura China na boyiko amarioko ba koros bintu mbiri koros so ebintu bindo umwana gago tebindo mu engineer tagete abe moe naboko mwera medicine medicine myaka 7 okoira na ndate nganje na koira mama na tate bindi ni mwana tagete bono tigangenda kusoma engineering nayo gotwara asara iko batige barengereri na ndika otebi mwana nge kozi yego kogenda to konyore gas nyasaye liria agotomoete nzeye igama itaso kuja kogenda mbiamono
ngakiru Kenya University moko link ni school chide
mbiamono sayo bono ndago temu na lero maito ngana acha Marogobe studio. I was invited by school called St. Paul Sigonga. I was invited by a school called Samwera Secondary School, just Yurga Kisi South. On a address ya wanafu abaibuli barenge school yamo. Akarunanya ora banafuzi ba form 3 yamo. Isa ulinguchi bara kora matemu mwakoyo. Ona calling ntukurunga apart from being a motivational speaker, na dueli chinza chinke na baironi career. Kiani maitemba chacho reshi subject. Na chakira kurugoro mpaka anse kubatebinga applied sciences eitokoro ka investigative careers igoko kora bunyagitari nyore medicine kuikonyore this grade igo work towards that. So in other words, we also play a role kotebia abana mbaba confused from the word go so that they are prepared ngano yango somege nteke igongo chakobeke so that okongako soma mono obeka chinguru mono digaraete abo munyagitari aete abe lawyer aete abo musikali abasikali babono iga bagosoma urona bate bibo mane mbali basikali bali bakare umusikali osomete no yotasomete tabauti gero oyo osomete bya kabisa akoenda straight after the training obo inspector oyo utasometi yako bari kurutu nsali koko genda ami igoko sobo kadeti ko chiko chigoro aba bana baje nyokonyo wakira chisa ruti kenenza aganye tabe warrant officer 1 warrant officer 2 that is why we encourage bari ba korega asiti bakoreki bagenda igoro nebo mwalimu mwana gasome tabi yako so degree straight digero ogenda masters ogenda PhD to kuri taya akorega asi
yes
biamono
asante sana uyakoro ku professor Constantine Nyamboga Matoke kurwase University ya Lukenya oereze iramange iguru ye school ya Lukenya University leta baino ekogere school fee ekoena nwase university ye nigo erenke kolengani Lechi University chinde nobati swali rinde twatikire magegero tutegete go chikokora 0785 922300
sado
ngakitata
yo mundu mutame nando iranire
kya baba
ya ndongera mbere gukwa nabo nabwatira sikini ha umuntu areta gukora no nyengera sinane nagenda se siguro ya baso membara bakomboli babuterete mwana
sawa
diyangangira neza
okay kucharo kwireneria class 8
boirire buya
muyande kya baba
nalgo kwana iga Negule bunata vile course na technology.
Technology what? Okay, technology.
What technology ya plumbing?
Oh, mangana plumbing ngabu kia baba. Asante sana. Mbiole.
Zanor.
Ora sina patara kwa wote kurma semara game park. Ndana ko boli di swali ya neiga.
Sina patala.
Ora abani bwate mosani onde nanda na bwate mwana. Mwana ko. Pura maita kwa.
Irorango.
Abani bwate rendo monto oro obwato mwana nanda na teto ko gocho ine sukura no mwana no mumwere range meti. Tapa hiki takwa.
Okay, sawa na twakoigule. Twakoigule ana ni fantabu. Okay, sawa. Mbiole.
Hello? Era tu kalendo monto na pala grade 2 kya mazonal.
Oh, grade 2. Sawa. Na nanjiri waso.
University inasome.
Oh, sawa kya baba. Asante. Professor sabituta bwatishisa kangana butwa bwatishisa mechi nyingi. Irane lyango monto quality standard 8.
Nataba monto quality standard 8 igakonyora saga soma. Tobwata nabate bibiya kabisa nabotoko mu admit lakini tago cha kusomea university ime. Igakosoma school toko Kenya College eyere university era sakoro kuimali. Igebwata chikosi echichonsi pi eteri kurigerero mu standard 8 no mu form 4. Gogo chakira nsalia lakini naona no form 4 nyo ata weta no nata bobwate na mogo so ana ere muja kumnyokanie class yawo depending on ese chikosi chitokoro ka hatsan igonga na bumuko ba admitted igo muntu mutambe na ande na wakere mbiyamono okobeka abantu mwawo ga unkagere ngana karo mupira abantu agonya kuligera inyumba chi abantu na anyore ngakuligera mu radio sayari inyumba chi abantu yere buya grade kya masonary 2 oyo obwata can qualify to grade 1 akore grade tests. Ndobwata abantu abangaini bakomane jibintu ebyo byonzi once have admitted you igokogenda asitokoroka Lukenya College. Lukenya College neya itokiagera kero graduation yuka toko baetia ninjengo soma abonga bali mbana basoma malieta ino bali bakuru kujidini naruona atanga mwisha ine kwa certificate yeyo ane ko babere reis no kwera linga abantu baisani le chance yate yabanga obaire powers yo kwenda mosome based on ye degree mwanya olire certificate mwanya olire gose artisan mwanya olire water technology yere plumbing na ronko ruwera under that admission siko to gokora in a pool igonga none kerongo gokora admission na boko gendororo then the last one mwabolia omwana omosubati oranyorekane kera yetriba muraba bwate bana bake omosubati oranyorekane obwato omwana gosomo omosaje oranyorekane obwato omwana omungino we gosachiete usipati mbaya tayo na bako ba admitted ebuye to bwate soronga asya yobwate qualifications ntuntu leri kumanyanga nki obwate apart from that ntuntu qualifications chiko koletoro family affairs apart omwana we karago cha moko menyanere university ime igenga muno omwana onyolero obolite university ntuliko mumenyime atoko motebinga bona aya baba kwa beiro mongina usikwa beire bona aya bona no mukungu o watokire aso muchioito but mbaya bona ayo koruma lakini ogenda gosoma ntobwate muchigito kuruke city estigego keta fo abantu bakonywa maruki andiko batakamono abako nyinya sore bari bate ko utwa baseri kure compound twajitwa babe kama tuanza kuba nao konacha batige bintebi na parents kiagara no mugaka tokotanga ngo chamune no mongino no komenya hostel so we'll put you aside chinyombe chichonsi fee ya hostel na yamo lakini chaito asali 3 kilometers go cheze university every morning yo tuwa kwa range tuwa barenda ne bus tuliko korera free lakini to chachi besa jinga sana lituko
ndake tukukoboliga professor kero tuguchia gukorera mangana y'uburai ikaguchakera kurwa sabana school yigejene ya Kenya University nko ine full of more students asa mangana y'uburai
abanafunzi mangana lero gachenjeti chi meeting chose bingo twara chinana omwanafunzi omoneno kurukwe president y'abanafunzi go ikatendi apart from that kerege ntubako koraga alia amoko gamba na barobwo lero ntuli bachora bajorte bazomete university kare ntubwa tibugambi tuabwate ngakieria didigo yarenge omonto yo mago chora mwaminyokania campaign okaganga ne jitoko jaba member of parliament bone chigabana lakini yeroro bon they were rosiri igekoro collegiate immunity tubwate the executive eyego karanza the National Assembly and the Senate abantu abe executive bari 13 they are part of management igonko ba inoboro authority in management and if you can look at that that's why kuna tubwata a lot of peace because every other time ngoto taibare sobo bibole usasi tu akordo bya na bawatenga thank you asitora akora bya na bawatenga tokolereke nyole konyalekana
na
ande nko batura gatongoro gakego
ngo bamura gatongoro
ya wona 13 ngo libara kamushara gakego ya universities no na agenda kwa university neyonzi etabe yana ayagenda obumogambi nyoko be president wasana gwegeri vino mubukugira kwajaga kwende kaija to enena
kabisa na apart from normal classes zili abanafunzi bagosomera komenta mule abanafunzi ase university yeino
mentoring na to very powerful garongo driving abantu mbale toko separate it's about mentoring every Wednesday no twanje tamasomo Wednesday afternoon kiro mwalimu igaira abanafunzi gete bakumuruka tata bakumuruka mama bona esaba abanafunzi to watanga 7 atoko ba divide tuwa beka kero monto kero mpaka nchoko ndona nimbata abanafunzi yanga 45 ngo karansa na baro in my boardroom on Wednesday bante yime chando yabo nabatebi ntunta geto bakole ligera baba abantu abarunge I remember the last time tuwa mcha kujikosieka otuwa chieta town ekorukwanga mutito toka yesipi ali simukora ara Mombasa toka chora chi gubi chonzi pito gata chi wiribaro na ine mbwate wiribaro kabisa nalibaka oranga no monana na ale na intwe na ando takira tobe practical igonko basomi tole mna bagocha komenya in terms of we career kera baansire in terms of networking na baro te ndo batagete in terms of peer pressure erioko no lego cha bachanda twa basomi igoro yogo tanywa chi drug ligera mbako njinya sore baba bantaba ya and then we also utilize other speakers kurusiko baraba ko in those areas nye bago to certain area no na sodo kinyo ko rumo ko area anga orenga sodo tadasi moche zoom na bana bonspi nye ko rumo yamono ango ko bekera ama noti komia eri beri bungo uko ngo tumela muno gukora yebona
okay
yes
asante ndo chana nyolire gasi na nyolire gasi gabu professor bona Bible abato tegera tengo kwa bara Bible yani abana uchi gusomia se Kenya University mati university nchira abantu bakogenda baji kuongotera na konywali bwogole meseke mubwate discipline ase Kenya University genuine kwa mwana no mwebuli yo tegerera tabano morokoba
discipline yaito igere ya kutosha ndaga tengo taibona ocho tumo mwana obwado netukio kono raba murara bakobeka mutwabeka kitukiki abaiseke goseba mine bimenero birito ko so haze ito ebita tubware bitatu egetanga ni opimwe temperature otarazo ne basi mizo goyo opimwe temperature
gose kwa
gocha kwanya kurigererwa by the time weke stotu amanyire ngitinerabu dibagero mogaka obeiro muswati twakobeka muno go ikari stoko kwa dimiteri condition toko kwa etukie yige kohera no tukuberu mwanafunzi yabo ukogingira kiera nkorani bare binyonsi ogwaka magashi makongomono ana kuruchi besa kiana kwa jina tukie
yes
ntobwara chisesa chikoro kuchisniva dog jire German Shepherd chikonsiniva chisanduki chonsi pi
yes
okokonyorete nene sanduki yaite liko ruekolera ayino bwate nyasole osino bwate bintu geto bitata kiri goikoigore ande muno kuigora mangana akaberere bube igerere yoki kuchagwa pake kuoro kinge yange nere bwate genteke ekiebwate okerusia toge tugute tokwabere nantogote itokorabo dibwo gore ndiko nyakobororo esa ulia mabagwara ina tokante nande university ngimabate iyo namuri abana baino igere 30 kilometers awe abuoko genda ekibezo maite ujire chingo ngijya waera omwana agenda asa tambe gako gwepara nyo ene simbe ko monyore more rali manata kuirora enya ngawe ko ne ora akujaka kutimagera manya nduma hinya ngone chikoreka lakini nchirali so binde bimbiko atiki mbiyo egento towo impro mono no gusaba nyasaye bakongo twasaberania besabera andi basaberani abayibuli kiara ntubwate freedom
asante asante
ngokwani ndabo bwangule umayekobeke santuko
kwani ngo bantu babire professor
bana yoranga gata tekombunge nantraba kwani wategera limbya mono once again inuna abantu abaya aba mama zemwabeta abatata zemwabeta aba murabami abataba gusina aba motole chikazi ni chonsi pichi sokoro chiane abagambi ango kwania amuswati oneza ale ontegererete okoro kwa Dr. Gladys Nyanchama Emilio Evans Omweri Nyantika Evelyn omongina mama nora mongina abana ba minto bonsipi nkwania abagambi bane babolo okumu obutu nanda abu fortunately bara wanafunzi bane bakora Bachelor of Arts Governance and Administration abagambi bonzinga zoma bale bona mwaba akira chinko bilero nakimokora wakwane kesunge kenuke sana ma utilitarian chief osoro korwa lia didito bioro tegererete makanga omonene chairman ya Kiambori arole ngalero mwabeka Kiambori songs na igule via paka na aranga tiankwane chairman Melody Ogeto next time mtu beke jia oni ngeberelie onkyo Douglas yoko boli chikura ku West Mugrango na batege na bantu bamwabo na church ministers bonsi pi babo Kindo na nyoleto bokongo last year sabira na asirete ku David Kausi kwani na maugukoro kichemba oyomo nginolengo o David Kausi kwani priest bantegererete kiara nkore yanjande na barabu ni banjete sana kwani priest ya omonene obisho Mugendi Timothy oyo Nyansiongo Mandera kwani oyo Nyamarambe okurukwanga Justus na bande bonsi pinta inye kunyara kukwani bono iga asemotegererete igomba njite mwensipi lakini naende ngakere pole sebede umuti okabeiro musikali na mbaibere Kenya gima kusesebede otuori oyo mwana oyasirete agwete ngora agatanga ni umutu agakwa yarenge bahati mbaya 2 weeks ago okoeni wa Friday otokumusabera maya nyasabu ati family eyo na bali bonsi pimu bwato bokongo usongo nkwani Mosamad oyo bogate bookshop yana nese moja mwanya kogore bitabu kwani principal Jones pitch yokora mangana maya asikoranga bana baino bahitire na bali bontegerete mwensipi baba mrefu mwensi amaiganga iyo baba makoli Kakamega amaiganga iyo bya mono
asante namba yawe yesi mi professor ekiara mbale bako nakuboni namba yawe yesi minga kiba kuboikera
07 0 isano naibere mo isano naibere isano nemo kianda isano naisato isato note na isato 07 17 698 namba no ngaka wa no akalimo to garo kwa kabere ora intriko bugata yone gasi ngokora ni ntakomanya na bongo aka kiagara we injedinga njeta minto tinkomanya kwa ngonte abura nyono monte ko ndetera nande inera bone gasi yana mutieli bya kabisa nera tukumuntu abande na mo contact Radio Sayal soto Gosorojas chilamba cha mubwata ekaro mutakita admission applications na mo go obviously Radio Sayal ebai. So once again I wish each one of the listeners a very good evening. Akiyokambe utakombekera tell nyaswaye
ngokupikanda kwatera kwa bwo asante namba ya yesi mika atabiri mwanche mwategereri 0717 69 83 0717 69 83 03 na boku mwakira elinde okwanenere eyamase moyo akurukunga Professor Constantine Nyamboga Matoke Embara himself kurwase university elia ekulukunga Lukenya twabagana elia maya Professor get the next week ngojole
next week like the other week
okay
actually gonkare Taita kukwanira bataita bareta bane chisukuru ningale ga ali skuru ya Kenyatta Mwatate ngana Elisa National School na Bura ngaka omuntu jata ko mwana gandi sikonga na munyo deliver ala cha korana bongo ntinga yendo kwana ali bana bagareke bagendo no Lukenya ntubwate Lukenya schools chile top schools ntubwate ben Lukenya community school abana inji bago cha basoma kiere chio ejira affordable
okay
so the ngoja goje wiki area 25th so wanja kwao
asante
anda mashapiki rende na nibwate meeting jira agati nkoraki tinja Tuesday
okay asante sana ikoni ko tuko cha kumena na Professor Chikibere Kurwono acha koelezera bene igoro ya Lukenya University Embara himself Professor Constantine tuchitumira nere after 2 weeks from today asante mwacha mwategete kubwata kugotera kwa St Matthews Kiamboli kogotebanga enyangi na kukucha se embeo
Tumaja machiko amachiko yenyangi Tumoza